Alright, so I took this off the ground wire, just a couple screws. I want to show you that. That is warped pretty bad and a lot of junk on it. So that's a bad igniter. It's going to have failures. So you can replace just the igniter. But another thing I wanted to show is this here. There's a lot of junk in there, and all that junk will actually, all that will be down in all those pins, and down toward the bottom it gets clogged up pretty bad. All those pins get clogged and they get tighter together, and you have to clean them out. So we're gonna order a maintenance kit for this. Comes with the gasket and igniter, and we'll come back, open this up, replace the gasket, replace the igniter, and clean those fins out.